Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone and PC so the procedure is safe and reversible. First, enable developer options, turn on USB debugging, and OEM unlock. This allows fast boot commands to work. Once done, install ADB and fast boot drivers on your computer and confirm the device appears with a DB devices. Make sure you back up all important files and download the exact recovery or stock image for your Realme model, because flashing the wrong image will brick the device. You now replace the Coloros recovery with the selected image. Boot into fast boot mode using power plus volume down or a DB reboot bootloader, then connect via USB. Verify the downloaded image checksum so you don't flash a corrupted file. Then execute fast boot flash recovery. IMG, use the exact file name. After flashing, run fast boot reboot recovery to load the new recovery and check that Coloros recovery no longer appears. This confirms the flash succeeded and the device accepts the new boot partition. You finish by rebooting into the system and ensuring stability. Clear cache or perform a data restore as needed so apps behave normally. Make sure all sensors, Wi-Fi, and calls work before relocking the bootloader, because relocking can prevent future custom changes. If something goes wrong and the phone is stuck in a boot loop, don't panic. Reboot to fast boot and reflash the correct stock firmware, or use the manufacturer's recovery/unbrick tool. This typically restores factory partitions and resolves boot issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.